These heat pumps are made by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited for the Everest Group. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32, and their guarantee is only average as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The units have all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They use louvered metal panels to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, which is superior to brands that use wire grills. The GPH14H models are basic packaged heat pumps for slab mounting and have a 14C air cooling efficiency and an 8H SPF heating efficiency, while the GPH14M units can be field converted from horizontal to downflow for roof installation. The GPH16M heat pumps are premium units with a 2-stage compressor, a 16C air cooling efficiency, and an 8.2H SPF heating efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.